Another molding minute from Ash Industries.
The first step of shopping for a good injection molding supplier starts with the mold. The obvious question is, where will the mold be built? Or maybe you have a mold and you need to move it to another supplier. In either case, it's critical that the supplier has an in-house tool room so that they can thoroughly make, repair, or adapt the incoming molds to their machines in order to meet deadlines, even if a hiccup comes along. Here at Ash Molding, we check that box and more. Not only do we have a fully integrated tool room, but we have 14 full-time machining experts on hand to work on your molds.
This mold right here is a story where Ash saved the day. We had a customer whose molder actually burned to the ground, soot and ashes. They picked this steel mold up out of the rubble, brought it to us, and we got these 10 canopies back into operation. A mold like this needed a full breakdown and preventative maintenance. Luckily, we have talented technicians here.
Mold building at Ash. Better thinking makes better parts.